Hi there, this is Jay with Web App Zero, and in this video we're going to help you set up half-screen training on your own system. You'll want to go to webappzero.com, half-screen training debut. In this post, you'll find a couple of helpful links. One is the example video link. If you haven't seen that, that will give you an idea of what half-screen video training is all about. And two, it's not a link, but it's actually a list of steps here under the section Setup Instructions for Learners. We're actually going to follow these 6 steps here to get half-screen training set up on your system. So, step 1, install the VLC video player on your computer. When you click on this link here, it will take you to the VLC homepage where you can download and install the VLC video player. Once you get that installed, you can open that up on your system. Once you have VLC installed, you'll want to set up globally available shortcuts on your system to be able to play, pause, and rewind video. I'm going to use a piece of software called Keyboard Maestro. If you're on Windows, you might want to consider using something like AutoHotkey. And if you're on Linux, I'll let you research and discover that for yourself about which software would be best to use. Keyboard Maestro is my preferred software for doing global shortcuts, and I'll show you how I would set that up on my system. Click on the plus sign to create a new global macro, and I'll label this VLC play pause 2 because I already have one. And click on new trigger, hotkey trigger, select a keyboard shortcut. I'm just going to pick a random shortcut. You can choose your own. And click on new action and do a search for Apple up here in the search bar, and then click on execute Apple script. And then you'll want to paste in the Apple script. If you go back to the debut article, in step 2, we have a couple of links. VLC play pause. If you click on that, it will take you to a GitHub gist where you can copy the text and then switch to your Keyboard Maestro app and paste that in. And that's it. You can go ahead and try that out, and that you should be good to go there. I am going to also show you the other keyboard shortcut that I have set up, which is VLC step backward. And you'll follow the same steps to create this shortcut, but you will paste in, you'll have a unique name, VLC step backward. You can create your own shortcut, and you'll paste in this unique text, which you can get from the post by clicking on the VLC step backward just here. And once you have those two keyboard shortcuts set up, the first one will allow you to play and pause the video, and the second one will allow you to rewind by 10 seconds. Step 3, set up global keyboard shortcuts to move window into half-screen locations. I'm using a piece of software called Moom, which is provided on a site called minitricks.com. I will show you what that looks like in Moom. Under the Custom tab, I have set up a move and zoom shortcut that takes up half the screen, and I have that set up to a keyboard shortcut of my choosing. And then I also have another one set up with a different keyboard shortcut to take up the right half of the screen. That's very simple and straightforward, and you don't actually have to use software to do this. You know, many operating systems now allow you to drag a window over to the edge of the screen to take up half the screen. So it's optional if you want to do this step or just do a drag and drop. Step 4, open your favorite text editor or programming environment and place it on the right half of your screen by using the method established in step 3. So I'm going to open up Dr. Racket and place that on the right half of my screen using Moom. Very good. And then step 5, watch a half-screen video by pasting its URL into VLC. We're going to go to File, Open Network, and the URL field. So let's, first of all, go to a sample video. Again, you'll find a link to the sample video in the article. In step 5, there is a link, half-screen video. If we click on that link, this will take us to a good video to use as a sample. Click on the share button, copy this URL, and then switch over to our VLC video player. Go to File, Open Network, and inside of the URL field, paste in that URL and click on Open. I'm going to set this to full screen and then switch to my Dr. Racket application. And now I can play and pause and rewind the video using my global shortcuts. You've already seen a demonstration of that, so I won't bore you with a repeat of the demonstration. But you're up and you're working at this point. Going back to the half-screen training article, you can see that we're actually done with all 6 of our steps. As step 6 is control the video from within your editor and immerse yourself in the learning experience. You're done. Congratulations. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and get involved with half-screen training. This is Jay from WebApp Zero. Thank you very much and have a great day.